Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss exercise 10.2 question number 1. Look at the given map of a city. Answer the following. Color the map as follows. Blue water. His water plant is blue in color. Red fire station. Red fire station is red in color. Orange library. This is the library. This is orange in color. Yellow schools. This is primary school. This is senior secondary school. This is in yellow. Green park. Here this is the city park. This is green in color. City. Pink college. Here this is the city college. This is pink in color. Purple. Hospital. Hospital is purple. Here is purple. Hospital is in purple in color. And brown cemetery. Cemetery is brown in color. Right? Mark as X at the intersection of Road C and Nehru Road. Road C, this one. And this is Nehru Road. Here mark a green mark here at the intersection of this road. Right? And green Y at the intersection of Gandhi Road and Road A. This is the Gandhi Road and Road A. This is the green Y here. Right? And C, in red, draw a short street route from library to the bus depot. Here you see, this is the library and this is the bus depot. We have drawn a red route, a shortest route from here. This is the Nehru Road and up to here. From here, Road C, we go to the bus depot. Now question number C, what you see is, question number C is, question number C, here you see C, that question number C is given as, question number, now D, which is the farthest east, the city park or the market? Here you see, the city park is here, and market is here, right? The farthest is the city park, right? Therefore we can write, therefore this is the city park, right? In the market, in the city park, between the market, between the market and city park, between the market and city park, market and city park, market and city park, in the market and city park is the further east. The city park, the city park, the city park, the city park is further east, is further east. The city park is further east. Question number, this is question number D. Now question number E. Question number is, the question number is, which is further south, the primary school or the senior secondary school? Here, the primary school is here and the senior secondary is here. Then we can say between the primary school and the senior secondary school, between the primary school, between the primary school, between the primary school, in the primary school and senior secondary school and senior secondary school, senior secondary school, the senior secondary school is further south. The senior secondary school, the senior secondary school, the senior secondary school is further south, is further south, is further south. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.